स्वर्णिम पलों को सदैव अमर बनाने के लिए लोग कारगिल राइड का आयोजन इलाकों से गुजरकर कारगिल विजय दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में कारगिल वॉर मेमोरियल द्रास में पहुंचेगी। मैं वापस जरूर आऊंगा, या तिरंगे को फहराकर या उसमें लिपट कर। ध्रुव कारगिल बाइक राइड सेंट्रल अफसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ उत्तरी कमान कर रहे हैं और इस रैली को फ्लैग ऑफ करने के लिए हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं सूबेदार संजय
आज की जो रैली है उसका मेन उद्देश्य है उधमपुर से शुरुआत करके कारगिल वॉर मेमोरियल जो कि द्रास में है वहाँ पहुँचना। इस मोटरसाइकिल रैली को ध्रुवा कारगिल राइड का नाम दिया गया है, जिसमें नॉर्दर्न आर्मी कमांडर लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल वाई.के. जोशी इसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं और उनके पीछे 25 बाइकर्स उधमपुर से श्रीनगर पहुँचेंगे।
It is very important that the sacrifices made by the brave soldiers of the Indian Army are not only recognized but also remembered, so that they continue to inspire the current and the future generations of the country. So therefore, today this effort of ours, this motorcycle rally that we are undertaking, is to remember the fallen heroes during Operation Vijay and also to revive, rekindle and invigorate the spirit of patriotism amongst the youth. On the 7th of July, I had flown over Batra top in a Sukhoi. That was the day when one of my company commanders, Captain Vikram Batra Paramveer Chakra, had laid down his life. And today, I am undertaking this motorcycle rally to remember all the fallen heroes of the Indian Army who have laid down their life for the nation. My message to the youth of the country is to look beyond the myopic material gains and commit themselves to a greater cause of the greater good of the country and the people of India. It is important for the youth to dream big, to think big, to do big and to become big. I want to tell them that do not follow a beaten track. Go into the unknown, make your own path and leave a trail for others to follow. Always, who dares wins. And my message to the citizens of the country is that be at rest assured that the brave soldier of the Indian Army will always stand steadfast in his vigil to protect the nation, even at the cost of making supreme sacrifice and laying down his life without batting an eyelid. So I am very excited. You know, it is the patriotism for the nation and for my profession which is making me do this. So in the end, I want to thank Anupam Thareja, Java Motors, for giving me this idea to lead this rally all the way to Dras and for all the support that he has given us. And my thanks to Ashish Joshi, CEO Java, Ms. Urvashi and Dhruv of Java Motors for all the support. And thanks to all the participants of this ride who are braving it out today. And I'm extremely pleased that today this rally is being flagged off by none other than Subedar Sanjay Kumar, the Paramveer Chakra of my battalion. What could motivate us more than this? Thank you.
One
Jai
last
Hind.
question.